Welcome to this software as designed by Logi. I'm going to show you all about printing the report using my software. This software designed in Excel, as you know. Then we start by clicking on Excel where the software is. As you see, it's me, the programmer, and all about me. And then what I'm going to show you is to use this software by printing. You click on Start Software. After clicking on Start Software, you see all about the information to fill, but this is not what we need. What we need is to go to the modules and the reports. This is a report. This report is a report which have all things, but to print it, in order to print it, you see this is a row with no value. As you see, this row with no value, it's not needed on the report. You click on this button when it exists, and you click on text filters and you go to contain. After going to contain, you will type there a question mark and click OK. After clicking OK, a row without value will not exist. As you see, we remain with Kinyarwanda and the seventh module. Because of not having the module code, it does not exist. As you see, these are the reports in my system. Let's see the report 10. The report 10 is a report which have module code and have not a filter button. To add a filter button inside the rows without value, you click on the module code and you go to the filter and you click filter. As you see, there are many filters, but it's what not we need. We click again on filter in order to hide those buttons, and you make a small selection, a vertical selection in module code, and you go to filter. After clicking filter, you see the filter is existing on module code only. After you click on module code, then you go to text filters and you go to contain and you type there a question mark. After typing a question mark, you click OK. As you see, it's report 6 reports, and also the filter button is existing here. Then what we are going to do, it's let's go on the report one. As you see, also it have Kinyarwanda as the last module. Then go to the module page. In order to add another module, you click CCM MMM and it's accounting. Let's consider this module called accounting, and you type 100. After typing 100, you go to see student reports. As you see, the first report is existing here. The first report haven't the accounting module. To mean that accounting module is not existing because it have been added now after making a filter. To add that module, you click again on filter button, then text filters, and you go to contain. After clicking contain, you click OK. As you see, the accounting module is existing. Make sure you made it on all reports and it's ready to be used. Then we are going to see elsewhere. Then let us go to report 10 as you have used it. This report 10, you will also click here and go to text filters and you go to contain and click OK. As you see, this is the reports. The reports are existing with all the requirements. Then you are going to see how to print, and even this filter button does exist when you print or does not exist. Let's see it. After making sure that you click the here and you go to the text filters and you click on contain and there is a question mark there and OK, your report is full. It's ready to be used. But what I'm going to do first, it's to set the student marks. You click on student, hit back on student marks. Let's type 78, 79, 80, 81, 88, 89. Let's stop here. As you see, the marks for the accounting module exist here. What I'm going to do is to select. After selecting, I select report only. After selecting a report, I press Ctrl plus P to print and I wait. This is Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Excel 2019. It's not any area version, but on any area version like Microsoft Windows 2008 and other one, you can use this. As you see, all options are somehow similar. There are small differences. Then you go to this landscape orientation. There is a portrait and landscape. Let's see about portrait. You wait. As you see, a portrait is exist. You wait. As you see, a report is here. But what you need to do is to print the selection. As you see, the selection is available and the report is this. The purpose is not to print a report on portrait. We print it as landscape because it's how I designed my system. After choosing landscape, you wait. As you see, the report is here. The filter button does not exist because it's not needed to be viewed. As you see, this is a report. In order to print, you click on print button. These are printers. You select from there a printer. You need the printer of your choice. These are all printer I have, but you select a printer. After printing, a report is available for being given to a student. All calculations are made successfully. Everything is okay. Remember that on the student rank, I click on student ID in order to see his or her student report. This is a student list. This is a link to show you report or student rank. All things are existing. I think there isn't any other problem. When you meet another problem while using this software, you can write for me. My email is Izere Projet 1 at gmail.com. Thanks for watching this video. Remember to subscribe on my YouTube channel. It's okay. Thanks.